Thank you, Jasmine. Over at City Hall, the Joint Transportation, Highways, and Public Works Committee held a legislative public hearing this afternoon. Our News 10's Roderica Taylor was there and shares what was discussed.
The purpose for the annual Department of Transportation and Development Roadshow is to review highway construction priority for the fiscal year 2025 to 2026.
I think it's very important to provide the public the opportunity to come and provide their input about what issues that they see in their locality and what are their priorities as to the work that they want DOTD to do.
Joe Donahue, Secretary of DOTD, tells News 10 one of the many concerns was about the I-49 connector.
That is, of course, one of the mega projects that the legislature has prescribed and is probably the largest scope project that we have in the region. I'm happy to say that it is moving forward, still in the environmental phase at this point, but we hope to have that environmental approval very shortly.
Other concerns highlight the traffic in Iberia Parish near Highway 182.
Since it's closed, our traffic flow to and from the area has become unmanageable. The detour outlets are overly congested on a daily basis and have created unsafe traveling conditions.
We're doing everything we can to get something there to see about that.
If you weren't able to make the hearing, you can still provide input about projects that you would like to see develop. You have 45 days to provide comments and suggestions. In Lafayette, Roderica Taylor, KLFY News 10.